In every sport, player performance and safety are key to a winning record. When it comes to synthetic turf playing fields, there are important factors that affect the teams that use them. You want to keep players protected from injury. You want consistency of play and long-term performance. ArmaSport Turf Underlayment Shock Pad is a durable, flexible foam shock pad that's installed under synthetic turf. It can be used with infill systems with taller pile height turf for added injury protection, or with systems without infill or shorter turf, depending on the requirements of the sport. But unlike where traditional infill material is used alone, with ArmaSport Shock Pad, there is no loss or migration of the protective cushioning during heavy play or rain. This means 100% of the field retains consistent shock protection 100% of the time. Game after game, you can count on ArmaSport Shock Pad doing its job keeping players safer and maintaining consistency of play. No low spots in high traffic areas, and no direct contact with the players. And maintenance is simple with ArmaSport Shock Pad. The padding stays in place during play and can last twice the lifespan of the turf, keeping players protected for years to come. ArmaSport Shock Pad is sold in rolls of several popular lengths, which speeds up installation and results in less waste. It can be installed over a crushed stone base, concrete or asphalt surfaces. Choose a pad with more or less bounce based on the specifications of your sports field. If rainwater drainage is a concern, specify perforated ArmaSport Shock Pad for additional drainage performance. Follow the turf manufacturer's recommendation on installation, but ArmaSport Shock Pad is commonly stitched together and held in place by infill systems. Or it can be glued in place before the turf is installed, depending on field type. ArmaSport Shock Pad ensures consistent shock attenuation across the entire playing surface, and has been tested to FIFA and ASTM GMAX standards. ArmaSport Shock Pad is recommended for use with many types of fields: field hockey, football, soccer, baseball, multi-use fields, portable fields, indoor fields, practice fields, and warm-up areas. So what's under your turf? It should be ArmaSport Turf Underlayment Shock Pad. For more information about ArmaSport Shock Pad or how to specify it for your field, visit www.turf.armacell.us.